on this video, we would like to discuss the molarity and example problem. Okay? So what is molarity? So molarity is matawag na to siya og molar concentration. Okay? So this can be the formula of molarity. So that is equals to mole of solute or the number of solute over the volume of solution in liter, no? Di ba? Okay, so stands for the symbol of molarity is capital letter M. Then in for the mole of solute. So it means the number of solute, no? Then V here, or the capital V is the yang volume, di ba? So when you say solute, that is the substance or the substance that dissolved, while the solvent, that is the solution where the solute is being dissolved. So for example na niya is sugar. Okay, sugar is a solute, then water is a solvent. Okay, so therefore sugar dissolved in water. Okay, so there are some example of solute. Okay, so like the ethanol, methanol, acetone. Okay, so for example, calculate the molarity of a solution containing 0.33 mole and 1.75 liter. Okay, so the formula, so that is M is equals to the N over V. Okay, since our N is equals to 0.33, then our V is equals to 1.75 liter. Okay, so that is our volume. So therefore 0.33 over 1.75 liter. So this can be mole. Okay, so where M or where molar here, when you do calculate, so 0.33 over 1.75, that is equals to 0.189. So 0.189 molar. Okay, or M. So this can be the answer. The next, what is the molarity of the NaCl or sodium chloride, no, solution in which 175 grams of NaCl is dissolved in 750 ml of solution? Okay, so the atomic mass of sodium, which is Ne, that is equals to 23. Then for Cl or chlorine, no, so that is 35.45. So our atomic mass of this element is, we can refer the table of elements or periodic table of elements. Okay, so again, in order to get the mole equivalent or gram per mole, so we need to have the formula mass. Okay, or we need to find the formula mass. So for the NaCl, or the formula mass, or which is EMU, no, or the unit of EMU, or that is equals to the atomic mass unit or grams per mole, diba? Okay, so for NaCl, This is the we have one atoms for the sodium. For the chlorine is also one atom, so therefore uh, that is equals to the 1 times 23, then plus 1 times 35.45. Okay, so by calculator, so 23 plus 35.45, that is equals to 58.45. Okay, so this can be 58.45. Okay, so the unit here is grams per mole. Okay, so again, in NaCl or sodium chloride, so we have 175 grams, no? So we can find the unit of or the equivalent of mole through this given of 75 grams. Okay, so therefore 175 grams times 1 mole over the 58. Okay, 58.45 grams. Okay, so we can now calculate. So 175 divided by 58.45, so that is equals to 3. Okay, so 3 mole. So therefore we have 3 mole here. Then we get the formula of the molar, which is M is equals to N over V. So we have 3 mole. So by the way, to convert 750 milliliter to liter, so take note that 1 liter, that is equals to 1000 milliliter. Okay, so we have 750 here ml. We can now multiply by 1 liter over 1000 milliliter now. Okay, so we can cancel milliliter to obtain a liter. So therefore the equivalent mole, so that is equals to 3 over 750 divide 1000, so that is equals to 4 molar. Okay, or 4 m. Okay, so this is the final answer. So another example, how many liters of 2M solution can be produced from 184 grams of ethyl alcohol? So this is the chemical formula. So CH3CH2OH, no? Okay, so again we find the atomic mass of that, no? Okay, so C is for that is the symbol of carbon, di ba? Okay, so that is the 12. Okay, then where H for the atomic mass for the hydrogen, that is equals to 1. Then for the oxygen, so take note, that is 16. So again, to find the atomic mass, so we refer on the periodic table of elements. Then find also the formula mass for the carbon. how many carbon atoms? So we have 2 carbon. Okay, so every carbon is 1 atom, so we have 2. Then another is for the hydrogen, we have 3 symbol for hydrogen. No? First, which is 3 atoms, and then the second is 2 atoms, and then the third is 1 atom. So therefore, this can be 6 atoms. Okay, and then we now find the formula. Okay, formula mass. So we have 12 times 2 atoms, then plus the 6 times the 1, no? Plus also oxygen here is 1 atom, so plus 16. Okay, so we can now add here. So 24 plus 6, 30, then plus 16, that is equals to 46. Okay, 46 grams per mole. Since we have the given of 184 grams, then we can find a number of mole, no? Okay, so therefore 184 grams times 1 mole over 46 grams, no? So this will be imo siyang balikan, no? So take note, if kini means that the 1 mole is equals to 46 grams. Okay, so pwede ta makaingon na ang usa ka mole that is equivalent to 46 grams. Then nakagiven na 184 grams, so mo na siya i-convert nimo para makakuha kag number of mole. Okay, so pilay number of mole ani, so we can now calculate, di ba? So 184 divided by nimo sa 46, that is equals to 4. Okay, we have 4 mole, di ba? Since nakagiven na 2 molar. Okay, so it means that our formula, di ba, M is equals to N over V. So makaingon ta ang atong volume dia is V is equals to N over M, di ba? So where imo na siyang i-substitute ang number of mole, which is 4, then we have 2. Kumingon tag kanang iyahang unit sa mole or molar, di ba? Kung anon siya, mole per liter. Okay, so therefore since M is the unit of mole per liter, so we can now cancel mole, no, to obtain the volume, which is maliter siya, no. So therefore we have 2 liter. Okay, so that is the final answer.